Hey, what's up? I really just want to show you my progress from no business to quitting my 9 to 5 in a very short time frame. I want to show it with three videos because it's three main principles that are affecting my direction. So in video number one, this is the lesson about you don't start before you launch. And I'm going to show you just my first project. What you're looking at now is a local restaurant where I used to live in my old town, and I just really love this restaurant. It was really good food, and it was a nightclub in the weekend, so we was there all the time. And I just approached the owner and told him that their website was really bad, and I wanted to make it for free because I just love this restaurant. And Of course, who said no to such things? So I just um, downloaded a theme from Forest, I think teamforest.com, did some small changes, and this is the result. And it's a very nice looking theme, and I help him with some WordPress questions and just help him understand the platform. And I got a lot of free alcohol and a lot of free food, but most importantly, I got my first portfolio piece. So now I actually just throw up a website. I say I help restaurants, blah blah blah. I point to this portfolio, and I started sending mails to other local restaurants. And then I got my first project, $500. And for me back then it was like $1 million, because now I understand that I can actually do this. And $500 cash in hand is just the amount doesn't matter. Your first payment is gonna be like an experience that you will remember forever. And yeah, I never wouldn't got this project if I hadn't just offered something for free and put myself out there and actually launch something. I had the brand, I had the package. I wanted to help restaurants get more better presence online, and I wanted to focus on this, like they can make table reservations. That was my whole approach, like get customers online. And yeah, I got this client, and then I actually started to brand myself better. So I created a sales video, and this is just something I have stealed, you can say. Just used a screen share and recorded a video from American company. I don't remember what the company was called, but you can do this with anyone, because it's just to get your offer out there. And once you see that the idea has some traction, you will of course invest in creating your own video, or just yeah, just record your own. You can record your face, you can record earlier clients, but just having a video it makes your website more interactional. So anyways, I just removed the sound and talked over it. And I went out there. I just used outbound techniques, cold call, cold emails. I knocked doors, went to local restaurants. But in that time, I actually moved to another city. So I did that in a new city, and I got another client. And this restaurant also wanted to pay me in food and alcohol, and for me it was okay because I just built my portfolio piece. But in terms of food I have got for this project, I'm sure it's at least 5,000. I have eaten there so many times for free with my girlfriend as well, and we get alcohol. It's maybe not the most legal thing to do, but you will find out if you approach restaurants that that is how they roll. And I got a lot of meetings because now I had three portfolio pieces. I had a better branding online, and I started going out there to the market, and I got a lot of meetings. But what I learned from those meetings is that most restaurant owners don't care about online. They don't have time for social media. They don't think that it's possible to get customers online, and they are getting cold calls all the time from big agencies that don't just focus social. So when they think that social is the answer and they don't have time, the solution is automatically what most agencies pitch them, that they will update their profiles They will take control over the Facebook account and update and interact with the customers. So I quickly understand that my approach with the email newsletter and connecting the newsletter with the reservation for tables, it sounds like a really good idea, but practical, it wasn't that hard demand for it. And that's my whole point about video number one, of course. You don't know shit unless you launch. So having those meetings actually told me something very interesting, and it's some information I would never got if I hadn't launched. So I started to rebrand my page, and yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video, which direction I took. But you have to understand that just do something for free, throw up a website, brand a package, and go out to the market is the only and best way to test your idea. So you can think about logos, you can think about your name, your domain for months, but it wouldn't get you any money in your pocket. So just understand that it's after you launch, every experience and all the fun will begin. So until next video, take care.